Here we have a very, very nice low mileage 2008 Escalade ESV Platinum. This truck has approximately 33,000 original miles. Can you believe that? Absolutely gorgeous truck. And I mentioned it is a Platinum edition. You can tell by the painted inserts in the grille and the equipment inside, which I'll show you here in a little bit. Very clean truck, clean Carfax, all of that good stuff. Previous owner did add 2021 Escalade wheels, so if you look at those and think, hey, those aren't from 2008, you're right. So these are off of a 2021 Escalade. They're 22-inch wheels and tires on there. And you can also see there's a couple other things the previous owners did. It does have, the windows are tinted, so be sure you check with your local and state regulations to be sure if that tint is legal or not. That is on you to make sure that it's okay for your state. Also, they did add a clear protectant sealant on the front, you can see there, to keep the stone chips and everything. And as you can see, it works. The front end is not all chipped up and road rash, anything like that, so she's looking good. So as I mentioned, this is the ESV model. That's the longer one. So of course you got the 3 rows of seats, as well as plenty of room in the back to carry what you need to carry, whether you're going to the store or if you're like my daughter, who's a goalie, you have all the goalie gear to haul and other hockey stuff and friends and all that. Plenty of room. So you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the interior here. This truck does have the power retractable running boards, as you'll see here, and they do work as they're supposed to. The black and leather interior that is very, very, very nice. You can see there on the seats, it's not even showing any wear. A lot of times you'll see these areas here on these seats get pretty worn out from people sliding in and out. This one's been very well taken care of. Factory navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated seats, everything you'd expect in a Cadillac Escalade ESV, including this one does have the power sunroof and also dual screens for the rear entertainment system, and the captain's chairs in the back. We'll get you a better look at that here in a second. And again, very clean, no rust. Look at the bottom of the doors, very clean. One other thing, little thing to note is sometimes you see these Escalades and Tahoes, Suburbans, where these armrests are broke. These are in great shape as well. Here's another look at that second screen for the 3rd row passengers back here. Awesome truck. Go over and take a look at the passenger side here. And same thing here. Seats are in excellent shape. Dash is great, no cracks. 33,000 miles. Now, the miles may vary a little as the owner actually has been driving this truck a little bit, so be sure to ask your salesperson for an updated accounting of the miles if need be. Alright. Of course, it does have the trailer hitch on it, trailer package. We'll open the rear hatch here. And of course, to put that back down, push button right here, or you can push it down manually. There's all the cargo area, very clean, no stains, no weird smells or anything like that in this truck. And then of course that's the cover for the trailer hitch right there. Alright. If I were going to nitpick this truck, the only thing I've noticed is a couple of spots on the chrome. There's a few spots where you can see it's doing, there's a little bit of those kind of spots on it, on this piece, and a little bit on the grill. Other than that, what you see is what you get. we'll fire it up here for you quick.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the navigation and stereo system firing up. Cup holders, etc. Go. All right. Under the hood is powered by the 6.2 liter V8. Very strong engine that's treated GM very well over these years, and this one's no different. Stock exhaust on this truck, nothing's been tampered with there that we have been able to see. Absolutely awesome truck. Take a look at the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, financing is available as well, and this truck, because of the low miles, does qualify for an extended warranty as well if you want to protect your purchase for years to come.